is my mother-in-law's recipe, and she used to make it every Christmas, Thanksgiving, and she would get my boys when they were real little to come help her make the pie. It's really simple and it tastes delicious. If you like content like this, please hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and give me a big thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get started. This pie only has 5 ingredients, including the pie crust. You need, and I'm doubling my recipe. I usually double all of my pie recipes. But you'll need Tang, sweetened condensed milk, sour cream, whipped topping, and graham cracker crust. So let's get started. Okay, like I said, I'm doubling my recipe, and what I'll need is a cup of Tang. And remember, there's a difference between your wet measure and your dry measure. They don't measure the same. I'll need 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk. My mother-in-law, she'd make this for church gatherings too, and the people always requested it. And she had a friend, Mr. Charlie, that she would make pies for. This Tang Pie for. Because he absolutely loved it. Alright, and you'll need 16 ounces of sour cream. And that's about 2 cups. I buy the big one. Have to be exact, but it gives it a nice tang for the Tang Pie. And you just want to mix this all together. Kind of mush everything down to make sure it gets mixed up real well. Smells good. I love the smell of Tang. I like any kind of citrusy smell. Orange, lemon, lime. I just like fruit smell, to be honest with you. All that sour cream gets mixed in real good. I love sour cream, but I really don't want to taste a mouthful of it in my pie. But it sure makes the pie taste good. Alright, now we'll divide that between 2 pie crusts. Tried to get my boys to help me this time. They said that was alright. Maybe next time. Alright, and now you just cover it with a Cool Whip. Carton per pop, or the whipped topping, I should say. It's kind of like all tissue is going to be Kleenex. All sodas are going to be a Coke. And I guess all whipped topping is going to be Cool Whip. Smooth this out. And put it in the refrigerator for a few hours. good tasting pie. All right, we'll be back. So good, so refreshing, so easy. If you enjoy content like this, please hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. And until next time, bye.